Hello and namaste. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pizza without eggs, without yeast and without oven. Yes, after watching this video, you will be able to make any choice of pizza easily at your home kitchen without worrying about oven. Also, I'm gonna teach you how to make pizza sauce and dough from the scratch. Let's get started. Take 100 gram of Maida or refined flour in a bowl. Salt to a taste. Sugar half teaspoon. Baking soda half teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. First, let's mix all without adding any water. Now, let's add water little by little until it becomes soft dough. Knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until all combine together. As you can see, our dough is ready. Now apply some oil over it and give a rest for an hour. Meanwhile, let's make our tomato sauce. Give cross cut to the tomatoes. Drop them into boiling water for 35 to 40 seconds. This is the best way to blanch the tomatoes. Now let's remove and put them into ice water. By doing this, we can easily peel off the skin and it also retains the best color. Also, these tomatoes can be used for several other sauces. Now, I'm going to cut them into quarters. You can blend 80% of it and rest just chop into small cubes. Heat cooking oil on the pan. Then add garlic and saute until light brown. Add chopped onion. Again saute for 30 seconds on the medium flame. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes and saute for a while. Add tomato puree. Just give a stir. Now let's add some tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, don't worry, you also can use tomato ketchup, but you need to adjust the sweetness of it by reducing the quantity of sugar. Let's put Kashmiri red chili powder. It's add natural color to our sauce. Also, it enhances flavor into it. Continue stirring it until oil gets separated from the side. Now, let's add chopped basil and some oregano. As you can see, it looks so nice and it's almost ready. But don't forget to put seasoning, some salt and sugar according to the taste. Wow, look at this. So nicely made pizza sauce, isn't it? Okay, our dough got good rest. Now it's time to roll it out. Our dough is soft enough so that you can spread using your fingers. Otherwise, you also can use roller pin. Today I am making medium crust pizza, so I like to prick it to avoid big air bubbles. If you would like to have thin crust pizza, you can divide this dough into 2 portions and roll it out without pricking or poking. Now, place the rolled dough on the flat surface pan. Always take the pan with the lid. You can spread the dough by using your fingertips if required. Now, let's cook it for 9 minutes on a low flame by covering it. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my vegetables for toppings. I would love to flash saute vegetables like onion, bell peppers so that it remains crunchy and looks more bright in color. Now it's time to check our pizza base. Wow, as you can see, it's perfectly done. Crust is so nice. Lightly cook another side as well for only 1 minute. Anyway, you will cook more after adding the toppings. Before adding toppings, don't forget to set your flame to the lowest point. Now, put 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and spread it out over the base. Then, spread shredded cheese over it. I use mozzarella cheese for my pizza. Also, there are few other varieties you can try. Once you spread evenly, just cover it and cook until cheese starts melting. I'm topping my pizza with several veggies, but you can make with your best ingredients. It's all up to you. Today I'm taking red, yellow and green peppers, red onion, sweet corn kernels and sliced mushroom as my toppings. Now I'm going to sprinkle some oregano. You can also go with chili flakes and pizza seasoning. Let's cover it and cook for another 5 minutes on a lower flame. Look at this. Wow, our pizza without egg, yeast and oven is ready now. You can see cheese is perfectly melted. As you learned that, I just place my pizza directly on the pan and cook on a low flame by covering it. When I cover it, it produced steam and cooked my pizza so perfectly. Well guys, you must try it out at your home. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment sections. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do share it. Have a good day. Thank you.